Hey guys, Cool Brains here, and welcome back to another video as always. Today I'm going to be talking about the GP40MC for the What Is This Locomotive series. So let's start. So it all started when CN needed to rebuild their GP40-2LW locomotives. So AMF rebuilt them with HEP. But CN did not want HEP. So they sold them to MBTA and said, hey, here's some locomotives that we rebuilt. And maybe they can go into your service as yard switchers. So MBTA took these locomotives and reclassified it as a GP40MC, aka General Power 4000 horsepower Massachusetts commuter. Anyways, MBTA put these locomotives into yard operations, and they did a pretty good job of moving coaches from north to south station. But soon MBTA needed some more locomotives to operate in commuter service, and they did a pretty good job on commuter rail service. But the problem was that the HEP was a little bit bad since they got it from a freight railroad. But anyways, they did pretty good. Although, in 2013, these locomotives were starting to show their age, and they needed a replacement. Anyway, due to some reasons, MBTA had to buy a locomotive. So that's when they got the HSP46. Although the HSP46 really had some engine problems that they needed to fix. So the GP40MCs still remain in service, and they might be retired soon. Now onto the horns and bells. The GP40MCs usually have a K5LA horn, although I heard one has a K5L horn. Usually, GP40MCs are equipped with EMD bronze bells, but some are equipped with EMD steel bells. Here are a few samples of both the horns and bells. Anyways, that's the GP40MC for now. And yeah, that's all for now, and see you in the next video as always.